Water around a tank water heater in a Las Vegas home calls for a quick safety check before towels or tools. Keep children and pets away. If water is near wiring, an outlet, or the heater's electrical connection, do not step into it. If you smell gas, hear hissing, or feel immediate danger, leave without operating switches and contact the gas utility or emergency services from a safe place. If the area is dry and the shutoff is easy to reach, stop the cold water supply using the valve above the tank. Do not force a stuck valve. Avoid touching hot pipes, opening panels, or operating the temperature and pressure relief valve. Use a container or towels only where there is no electrical hazard. Photograph the water path, then note whether it comes from a supply connection, the relief discharge pipe, the drain valve, or beneath the tank. That observation is not a diagnosis. A loose connection may look different from corrosion or a leaking tank, and repeated relief valve discharge can involve temperature or pressure. Do not cap that pipe or attempt a repair based only on a video. Call trained help when water continues after the supply is closed, the tank body is leaking, corrosion is visible, hot water is uncontrolled, or the shutoff cannot be reached safely. Ask for the observed failure and repair or replacement options in writing. To locate a water heater service provider, call 877-320-4994. Again, that is 877-320-4994. This service connects callers with independent local providers. Availability varies by location.